the strangest dream last night about another space and time, a kingdom and a child. It's so familiar. Even if I could turn back time, I wouldn't change a thing in my life. But it's time for me to know, jump into the past. Oh, what happened to the world that once was my sweet home? Nothing will ever be the same. I find the answers to the questions in my head. Is there a happy ending? I hear you calling my name. I would search the whole world to find you. Every day I'm getting closer to the truth. Sometimes I feel so confused, and life is such a mystery.